Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to search message on a Google Chat by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the Google Chat application. If you cannot find and you cannot remember how does the Google Chat applications look, you cannot find in your screen, you just need to slide your screen into the left side until you access a app library. In the app library, just type chat on the search button, and after you find it, you just need to go click it. So this is the symbol of the Google Chat application. After you find it, just click it to open it, and you are already in a Google Chat room. In this Google Chat room, if you cannot remember where or to whom you send the message, you can just slightly go click in the search button here and type one word that you remember, for example meeting, right there, and after that just need to go click search, and now this Google Chat will be look for those message for you, and there will be appear these two meetings message related a message that related to meeting words. You just need to open it to access and to know is that the right message that you looking for. Okay, that's the first thing. But if you already remember to whom that you send this message, just go click the room, for example this, and after that just go click this modifier here, click it and type the words or the message that you want to looking for example a coffee. Almost there. Okay, go click search, and now the Google Chat will find the coffee message, and you can check either that is the message that look for or not. So that's all the way how to search message on a Google Chat. If you find that this tutorial is useful and get useful well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.